Many people dressed in blue are headed to the Easter Seals of Southwest Florida's Light It Up Blue event in Lakewood Ranch. The evening is in honor of National Autism Awareness Month. ABC 7's Alex Redmond joins us with information on how intervention may help the very young. Alex.
Thank you, Haley. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a developmental disability that can cause significant social, communication, and behavioral challenges. Well, now interventional therapy offers best hope to the youngest affected with ASD. It is a moment that made Suncoast mother Nicole Murby's heart sing.
A few weeks ago, it brought tears to my eyes because he was passing a ball back and forth to one of the kids, and then they went up and hugged each other, and I had never seen that before. So that is true joy for a parent of a child with autism.
Murby shares signs she first noticed in Gavin, like not socializing with other kids or engaging in parallel play.
Very limited talking, not pointing. Those are really big indicators that something might be going on developmentally and that a child may have autism spectrum disorder.
Murby is also director of Children's Services for Easter Seals of Southwest Florida, where 3 different children's programs are offered. About 25% of children throughout all programs have some type of autism spectrum, says Murby. Gavin attends the Lily School, an inclusion program.
Early intervention is very important. We can make the biggest differences from ages birth to 5. So the earlier we diagnose children with autism, the more impact we can make for those children and families.
And there are many support systems in place, explains Murby.
Speech-language therapy, occupational therapy, physical therapy.
This book is a teaching tool. It's called PECS, or the Picture Exchange Communication System. The child will actually take the picture of something like this, which is Mr. Potato Head, give it to the therapist, and as a reward, the child's given the toy to play with.
And another really important therapy is applied behavioral analysis. Gavin has a therapist that comes from one of our partnering agencies, the ABA network, and she comes in and works specifically on behaviors, looking at antecedents and consequences and figuring out why certain behaviors are happening, and comes up with a very detailed plan of how we're going to stop that behavior, or there's behaviors that we want to see, so she helps us figure out how we're going to get him to do certain things as well.
Murby says that there is growing awareness of children and adults with ASD, and she urges people to be patient and kind, because she explains that although many may not communicate the way that we expect them to, this doesn't mean they necessarily want to be ignored or shut out. Back to you, Haley.